Hello and welcome to your geography class. I'm Sukhdeep Kaur. Today we are going to start a chapter number 7 that is about the deserts. Within this chapter we have discussed about two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. So for today's class we are going to discuss not the chapter, we are going to start the question answers discussion that are given at the back of the chapter. So here is our question number 1 with the answer the following questions. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है what are the two types of deserts? Just now told you hot and cold found in the world. So there are two types of deserts found in the world, hot deserts and the cold deserts. Two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. Second question, in which continent is the Sahara Desert located? So where exactly is the Sahara Desert located? We have to give that information related to the continent. So the continent is Africa. Then here is the answer. Sahara Desert is located in Africa. Next, what are the climatic conditions of the Ladakh Desert? Climatic conditions of the Ladakh Desert. So whenever we talk about the climatic condition of a place, we have to emphasize on the heat or the temperature of that region along with that rainfall. So दो basic characteristic features आ जाते हैं climatic conditions में, temperature and rainfall. So we have to talk about the Ladakh regions. जो लद्दाख है एक cold desert है, तो वहाँ की climatic conditions क्या हैं? So Ladakh is a cold desert, so of course cold is there. Along with cold, dry का concept जाता है. Hot deserts are also hot and dry. Cold deserts are also cold and dry. Why am I saying also? Because dry is the common feature. Winters may we do have dryness on our skin, so dryness is the basic feature of the winters or the cool places. The climate of the Ladakh desert is extremely cold and dry. Now, the reason for the dryness and being cold is its latitude, altitude. Latitude in the terms on which it is located, so it is on higher elevation. So the height of Ladakh region is at a good altitude, at a good height, क्योंकि Ladakh is a plateau region. Next question, what mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? So Ladakh का ऐसा quality that attracts the tourist over here. As it is the coldest region of India, that too elevated on a good height. इसके अलावा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे scenic beauties हैं and we have the highest road also over here in the Ladakh region. But still figure out कि हमारे answer में क्या क्या mention है. So most of the time my answers are same because I'm the one who are writing them. Sometimes I'm giving beyond the expectation information to you besides the आंसर कि आंसर में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उससे थोड़ी सी अलग भी हो सकती है बट बोथ आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. So Ladakh is famous tourist place. We know that the tourists from within the country, they go over there for the visiting purpose within the summers because of the cold climate. So they do visit Buddhist monasteries that dot का मतलब they are the important locations to be visited, whether we are the country tourists or we are from outside of the Ladakh region. So that dot the Ladakhi landscape with their traditional gompas. So gompas, a traditional structure of the monasteries and whatever traditions goes on within these monasteries. So these monasteries particularly are the worship place for the Buddhists. So the Buddhist tourists also visit this place as well as the other religious people just to see the beautiful landscape of the Gompas along with the Ladakh region. The meadows, a certain type of vegetation and glaciers in Ladakh also attract these tourists. I've told you from the country part, within the country से जो लोग लद्दाख visit करते हैं particularly in the summer seasons, others के visit करने के different purposes हो सकते हैं. यहाँ पे motor riding होती है, bike riding I'm talking about, car rallies होती हैं. So there are certain concerns for visiting a tourist place. But altogether, it is a famous tourist place of India and it's growing rapidly. The ceremonies and the festivities that are conducted in this region, which the local people keep themselves engaged during the winter months, are great attraction to the tourists. Whether it is about the traditional festivities and ceremonies of the Buddhist people, or the ceremonies related to the Muslim community, because these are the two common communities or the religions to be found in the Ladakh region. Next question, what type of clothes the people of Sahara Desert wear? So they do wear robes, white color ke complete gown type clothes are there that they used to wear. Still, our answer. So the people of the Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. Heavy, not in the weight. Heavy in the terms, it does cover the entire body from top to toe or tip to toe. Name the trees that grows in Ladakh. So what kind of vegetation is found in Ladakh region? Vegetation of Ladakh. So although rainfall is less, concern is Ladakh is situated at a good height, good altitude. So instead of pouring the rainfall, snowfall occurs over here, that too extremely in winter season. हाँ, उसके अलावा भी rainfall experience किया जाता है यहाँ पे. So कुल मिला के this is the region with the scanty rainfall. So scanty patches of grasses, as the rainfall is less, so vegetation is also less. Moreover, it is a plateau region. So the scanty patches kahin kahin pe grasses hain, and shrubs, groves, willows, poplars, fruit trees. Fruits mein apples, apricots, walnuts. So dry fruit trees, come fruit trees, both are grown over here. So this is the mixed vegetation that is grown in Ladakh region. Now tick the correct answers. Again, a form of MCQ question. So here is the first question. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? So within the question answers, the question was in which part of the world? So the continent was Africa. Now it's asking कि Africa में किस हिस्से में? So we are talking about the directions. North, south, east, west. In which direction exactly the Sahara is expanded or it is stretched? So the direction is northern. Because if I have to draw the rough map of this Africa continent, so Sahara is spread in the northern stretch of the Sahara Africa continent. Sahara is what type of desert? So it's a hot desert, and it is the largest hot desert of the world and largest desert of the world as well. Next is the Ladakh desert is mainly inhabited by, so which community or which religions are inhabited within the Ladakh desert region? So the Ladakh desert is inhabited by the Buddhist and Muslim people. Next, deserts are characterized by, so specific desert, whether it is hot or it is cold, there is a specific feature or characteristic feature of the deserts. What's that? Scanty of rainfall, scarcity of water. But what are the options over here? We have to consider that. Due to rainfall, these things can occur. Low evaporation, of course, it can be there, but it doesn't completely introduces the term desert. Because if the water is nowhere or the water is present in shortage, scarcity, of course, the evaporation will be less. But this is not the apt character to justify the statement that deserts are characterized by just of the rate of low evaporation. No. Heavy precipitation, not at all. It's a dry region, so our answer is scanty. Very less vegetation, that too spread in patches. कहीं कहीं पे grasses, shrubs, groves और कहीं कहीं पे कुछ और trees हैं जो हमने discuss किए. Next is Hemis in the Ladakh, and it is a famous monastery. Hemis, Lamayuru, there are several other names that are referred for the term monastery. Next है हमारे पास Egypt is famous for growing which type of crop? So cotton. Cotton of Egypt is world famous, not from now, since day one itself. Now we have matched the following. Again, we have to find the relevant answers of the column A options. The first है हमारा oasis. So oasis is to be referred to the depressions within the water. Second, Bedouins. Bedouins is the community that resides in Sahara Desert. So we have to look for the Sahara option. Next is oil. Oil is found in Libya, a nation of Africa continent, and it is in Sahara Desert itself. Gangrene, now it's a glacier, term used for glacier. Lamayuru, certainly it's a monastery, so our option is monastery. So this was all about the answers of match the following. Now give reasons. So we have the first statement. There is a scanty vegetation in the deserts. Reason is low rainfall. Low rainfall, reasons can be many. Likewise, for a hot desert, what can be the reason of low rainfall? That is why scanty of vegetation will be there ना, vegetation का shortage है. तो hot desert में reason of less rainfall is as it is hot region, scanty vegetation already है तो vegetation ही नहीं है तो rainfall of course it will get affected. हाँ, अगर हम cold desert की बात करें, again the reason is dryness and the cold part. So reason are almost the same whether we are considering the hot or the cold one, and यहाँ पे भी इसीलिए सिर्फ desert option दिया गया है. Let's read out the answer. There is scanty vegetation in the desert because vegetation depends on two factors, climate and soil. As the rainfall is less, shortage of water is there, so soil is not fertile and it's being eroded by the wind easily. Climate की बात करें, so temperature and rainfall both comes in here. I have already connected the term soil with the rainfall part. रेनफॉल ऑटोमेटिकली टेम्परेचर से कनेक्टेड है, ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा तो रेनफॉल हो सकता है, बट इट नीड्स द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर एज वेल एज द प्लांट्स. देन द क्लाइमेट इन दीज डेजर्ट्स इज ईदर वेरी हॉट एंड ड्राई और वेरी कोल्ड एंड ड्राई. सो एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस हैं. Such a climate does not allow the growth of vegetation. So quite obviously, the growth of vegetation is less, so scarcity of vegetation will be there. Rainfall is scanty, very less, hence vegetation does not grow in dry conditions. Dry, extreme temperature conditions, इन दोनों ही conditions में vegetation नहीं होता है या ना के बराबर होता है. Soil is either sandy, या sandy means it is of coarse texture, मोटी दानेदार होती है, as it is found in sand dunes. So soil is either sandy, so we are talking about hot deserts over here. And अगर हम cold desert की बात करें तो वहाँ पे it is covered with snow almost throughout the year, and we are talking about Ladakh itself. Summers में just for a short duration, for month or two, the snow is removed from the topmost surface of the soil and soil थोड़ी देर के लिए resurface होता है, and we can grow the particularly vegetables during that short duration. So that is all about the soil part. Both types of soil do not encourage vegetation growth. Both type of soil ना तो sandy ना ही covered with snow. Soil के ऊपर snow का layer है, covering है, so of course the roots are easily going down, but how the shootings are going to come up on the surface? क्योंकि ऊपर उनको surface करने के लिए, resurface होने के लिए कुछ जगह ही नहीं है, ऊपर snow की layer है. So this is the basic reason. Soil, climate. Climate में temperature and rainfall. Then our second statement is people of the Sahara desert wear robes. That white color gown, I have already told you, तो वो क्यों पहनते हैं? Sahara desert is a hot desert. The temperature goes beyond 50 and the maximum temperature recorded till now is 54 degrees Celsius. तो इतने ज़्यादा temperature में of course we can easily get sunburn. Sunburn is a mild word I'm using. Our entire system can get damaged क्योंकि it increases the thirst in us. बहुत सारे ऐसे factors हैं. So let's read the answer. People of the Sahara desert wear heavy robes. तो major concern है heat से बचाने के लिए. So robes of the people of Sahara desert are made of hides. So hides, we are talking about the skin part of the animal's body itself or hair of the animals. These robes are heavy, covering the entire body. They protect the people from the scorching heat of the Sahara, that is extreme heat. Along with that, it protects the people from dust storms and hot winds that blows in Sahara desert almost throughout the year, because the climate doesn't change during day, it rises during night, it extremely falls up to minus also. They protect the people from dust storms and hot winds. That is all about the question and answers discussion from the chapter number 7. Jaldi milenge with the second part, while the discussion of which will be there, discussion of the inside of the chapter questions. So till then, keep focusing on to your studies. Stay tuned. Bye.